Hi, I'm John from Banana Baby, and in this video I am going to assemble the Babyhood Marley cot. It's a compact cot, so don't know why the box is so big, but let's get started. Make sure you don't throw this away. All the screws are inside here. It is highly recommended, no matter how good you are or how often you assemble things, just double check the instructions and make sure you got the correct screws. I've done hundreds and I still check the manual. Okay, so the Marley cot is a drop side cot, which means one of the sides can be dropped down for easy access. How we know that is, you see these rails? These are what's going to allow the drop down to happen. Now, you need to make sure that you have it faced correctly. Usually there's a logo, so the logo should face outwards. Make sure you get it that. If you get it the wrong way around, you won't be able to open and close it easily. Now, also, the rail had a top and a bottom part. So the pin is at the bottom here, which I'm going to have to unscrew, and then this pin will poke out. This part here, this pin, so this part here, so it's made up of two, so I'm just going to screw this one in. That goes in. And then I'm going to put the rails in here and then unscrew the pin to come out. And that's like the rail to keep it up and down. Okay. Now this is still moving. So because it's moving, I'm going to have the pin coming out. But I don't have to rush on that one because I can do that later. So I'm just going to put the other side on, okay? Hey, so this drop side is not in yet. I haven't released the pin yet. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to put on the base, just so then it gives us some structure. So what I like to do is I like to preload some of these spots, and it kind of makes my job a little bit easier when I start putting them on. Preload means just let it sit there like that. Hey guys, when it comes to this base, there is the correct side and the wrong side. Most of the time they would have a description to say this is the right side up, and so make sure you get it correctly, otherwise it's not installed correctly and it's not very comfortable for the baby. I'm not sure if you noticed, there are two mattress base heights. So this is the higher level, and then there's another one down at the bottom. So we opted to do it at the higher level. So you use this one from newborn to 6 months, and then once the child can sit up, remember to move that base down to the lower level. So I'm going to put the fixed panel on now. And like I said, I like to kind of preload these screws in. So I don't poke it out, just leave it. I don't poke it out, I just leave it to the flush. It just makes it easier when you're doing it yourself. So one is not anywhere. Just be careful it doesn't scratch the cot, so don't let it poke out. So now I just lift it in, position, find a hole, screw it a little bit just so it doesn't fall off on you, okay? And then we'll do the same over here. The best way to tighten these is just to kind of gently lift up the panel and twist it with your hand and then use the Allen key to lift it up. So we're just going to finish this one off now. And as I said, the pin at the bottom is not in yet. I need to turn it to tighten it. So turn and then make sure it goes into the rail. So you can see it in action. Okay, so watch this. So just make sure that it goes in. Oops. That's not bad. It's actually pretty easy to do. That's it. It's sitting in the rail. Now let's test it to see if it actually works. It goes up and down quite easily. Let's move back and have a look. Okay, so let's test out the drop side. We lift it up. That's not bad. So to put it down, we'll lift it up, push it in, and lift it up, push it in. You know what? Let's tighten up all the sides, all the screws first, and then we'll test this again. Okay, so all the screws are in, nice and firm, not too tight, but firm. Let's test it. Not bad.